Hello, hello. Hope everybody's afternoon is going well. We're having spaghetti tonight, so I wanted to come on here and make a quick video because I wanted some Parmesan cheese on it, but obviously that is not plant-based. And I wanted to just do a video that shows how easy and simple it is to replace with some simple ingredients. It takes less than 5 minutes, so if you would like to see how I whip that up, then just continue to watch and let's get to the recipe. For this recipe, you're going to need a 1/4 cup cashews, a 1/4 cup of nutritional yeast. And if you've never had nutritional yeast, it's basically deactivated yeast, and this is what gives it its cheesy flavor. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and a generous pinch of salt. The next step is to add all of the ingredients to the blender. You may want to give it a good shake just to mix it up and make sure that it gets blended well, but you want to watch and make sure not to over blend this, about 10 to 20 seconds, but you want to preserve the texture so that it mimics the Parmesan cheese. And there you have it. Plant-based Parmesan cheese that goes perfectly with spaghetti and is delicious. If you try this recipe, drop a comment below and let me know how it went. Thanks so much for watching.